Ford Motor Company is an American multinational automobile manufacturer founded by Henry Ford in 1903. Headquartered in Dearborn, Michigan, Ford is one of the oldest and largest car manufacturers in the world. Ford produces a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, trucks, and commercial vehicles. Some of the company's most popular models include the Ford F-150, Mustang, and Explorer. Ford was one of the first companies to use assembly line production techniques, which greatly reduced the cost of manufacturing and helped make cars more affordable for the general public. Ford is also known for its innovations in the automotive industry, including the development of the Ford Model T, the first car mass-produced on assembly lines, and the introduction of the moving assembly line. In addition to its automotive business, Ford also operates in the financial services and mobility industries. Ford has been included in the Fortune 500 list multiple times, and has been recognized for its commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Ford has a strong presence in the motorsports industry, and has had success in various competitions, including NASCAR and the World Rally Championship. Ford has manufacturing plants and R&D facilities all over the world, and the company sold around 2 million vehicles globally in 2020. Ford is also known for its philanthropic efforts, including education and community development programs.